Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas F3 electric bike stands out in the crowded e-bike market with its robust performance and thoughtful design. Powered by a peak 1500W motor, this bike delivers impressive acceleration and hill climbing capabilities, making it suitable for both urban commuting and more rugged terrains. The motor's responsiveness ensures a smooth ride, allowing for quick getaways at traffic lights or during uphill climbs, which is a significant advantage for city riders. Equipped with a 48V 12.8AH lithium-ion battery, the F3 offers an excellent balance of power and range. Users can expect up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and assistance levels. This range is particularly appealing for daily commuters who need reliability without the hassle of frequent recharging. The battery is also removable, which allows for convenient charging at home or your office. The bike's frame is designed with durability in mind, featuring an aluminum alloy construction that is both lightweight and robust. The adjustable seat and handlebars cater to various rider heights and preferences, ensuring comfort for extended rides. Additionally, the F3 comes equipped with a front suspension system that effectively absorbs shocks from uneven surfaces, contributing to a smoother riding experience. Safety features are not overlooked, as the bike includes bright LED lights for visibility during nighttime rides and responsive disc brakes for reliable stopping power. The 26-inch tires provide good traction and stability, instilling confidence even on slippery surfaces. One of the standout features is the multifunctional LCD display that provides essential information such as speed, distance, battery level, and mode selection. The various pedal assist levels allow riders to customize their experience, whether they want a workout or a leisurely ride. Overall, the Aipas F3 electric bike impresses with its powerful motor, solid battery life, and user-friendly features, making it a top contender for anyone looking to enhance their commuting experience or enjoy leisurely rides in nature. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or new to e-bikes, the Aipas F3 is definitely worth considering.